So today we're gonna be working on my tomatoes, and tomatoes are starting to bush out, get bigger. In the back we have right here is a beefsteak, and then we have 2 cherries and another beefsteak. There was a big storm last night, and these 2 kind of got blown over, and it was an all-day storm, so they started to grow in a curved motion. So we're going to make, for all these tomatoes, we're going to make some guardrails so then they can grow out and support their branches, and when a storm does hit again, it won't blow them over. And the basil is growing. So what we're going to do for the tomatoes is on this one, I'm going to take 2 big sheets, go like this, and go like this, so then it can prop up its big things. And for these little cherry tomatoes, I'm going to make just a thing, like a box like this, and then I'll make another big one for this one. So now we're going to be making our biggest one for the beefsteak in the corner, and what we have here is a big piece of fencing, and on the bottom we don't have a bottom bar, so we can stick it into the dirt so it stays up. That's what these 2 pieces are. So what we're going to be doing is taking a piece of wire and wiring right here, and right here, so then it'll stay together like this, and then the tomato can put its branches through this. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I have this roll of wire, so all I'm going to do is just make a little thing right around here, cut it off. I'm going to do that in the 3 places I showed you, and then we can put it up. And then we're also going to be making another little one, and the little one is a little one for the cherry tomatoes, and it's this. So you just take 2 pieces of wire them in the back right here, and then we made a carrying handle for it too. So that's what we're going to be making for the cherry tomatoes, and then we're going to make those for the beefsteak tomatoes. Okay, so I just finished cutting these 3 pieces of wire. They're about 3 inches long, and we're going to be putting them around right here, but they're not going to be so tight that this can't move. So all I'm doing is I'm just bending it like this, and I'm just bending it in a circle, and then I'm going to be twisting it up, doing like 2 or 3 turns. So there's one, and now they can't come apart, but they can still move up and down. So to build our second cherry tomato one, our second one of the day, what we're going to be using is, this is like 22 feet, I think, 20 inches. I think it's around there, piece of wire, and I have just a long one, so I'm just going to go like this, and we're going to go like this, and then we're putting the wire across the top right here and anchor it in. All we have to do to anchor it in is to, right here, is to go like that, go like that, and then twist this around like that. And when that's done, you go over to here, and this is how wide I want mine, and then you do the same thing on the other side. So that's how we're going to be making our cherry tomato, our cherry tomato leaf holder upper. And another thing that you can use to do this is just a bunch of sticks, but this helps hold up the tomatoes when it has tomatoes. So if you do this right now, it helps in the long run. So now I'm done with this one. Now I will have 3, and then I'm I'm just gonna build another big one. So I decided to show you one more way to make a thing that can hold up the leaves. And on this one in the corner, I decided to use a different one instead of using the one that I originally made for it. All it's gonna be is this right here. Is a big long piece of this. All I'm doing is putting it right here, and then right at the top, I'm going to be wiring it on in the same way I've done every other one. Okay, so this one's done. So I got every single one up. We have our corner one, and I trained the leaves to go up on it. You can put them like this. This will hold them up, and that's what we're going to be doing with every single one of these little tomato plants, so then they can grow bigger. Like if you put this one through here, this one through here, they'll start growing out and start using that in a few days. And then this one, these tomato plants are now gonna do good because we helped them. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel Around the Homestead. See ya in the next garden video.